What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a suction cup test. I've got my my other GoPro as well as the suction cup and a few other stuff. This white piece of paper is a bill, so don't worry about that. Always be responsible and pay your bills. Yeah. Jump in here and just jump my GoPro. No, GoPro, not GoPro. My GoPro. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the suction cup on the outside of the car, and we'll start driving and see how well it sticks, and we'll see what happens. I gotta clean the surface first though, so hold on a second. Okay, sorry about that abrupt cut there. It took me longer to figure out how to configure this suction cup mount how I wanted it. It turned out it didn't work out how I planned. I planned to just have it sideways on the window and have the camera somehow angled upwards, but I wasn't able to figure that out with the components I have with me. I'm pretty sure if I spent more time with it I could have figured it out, but I already spent like 15 minutes on it trying to figure it out. I just put it together like this, and I'm just going to stick it on the rear fender of the car, and that should be a pretty decent angle for what we got going on here. So right now I'm just going to drive to the area. I'm going to put the suction cup mount on, and then we'll see how it goes. Now, I can't leave you guys without a cold start, so let's get that cold start action going on here. Oh yeah. For V6, she's got some noise. Alright, let's start driving. Alright, I'm back. Sorry for the other cut, but I found a good location to mount the camera and test the suction cup. So let's get it on my car and let's just move forward from there. We are set up and we're ready to go. I have the waterproof case on the camera, so there's no audio from this footage, but should still look awesome. I'll definitely put some music over it for you guys, so I can see it in the rearview too. Let's get it started. There's a Mustang over there. Fucking piece of shit. Okay, so what that was I had to park and check the camera and make sure everything was okay. Since I've never really done this before, I had to check the waterproof casing on the camera to make sure that it was still closed and secured, which it is. I thought it came apart when I was going fast with the bumps and stuff, but everything looks pretty solid, so I'm looking forward to the footage. Hopefully the camera is okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut the camera off right here. Yeah, I'm just going to keep on driving, and I'll finish it with some driving content. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a like, subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.